Hey tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of USB microphones with the NZXT Capsule Mini. This compact microphone promises clean audio recording at an affordable price. Let's find out if it lives up to the expectations. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful reviews. Hello, everyone. Today, we're exploring the NZXT Capsule Mini USB microphone, an option that aims to strike a balance between performance and price. Priced at $XX, this microphone is available in matte black or white, adding a touch of style to your setup. But does it deliver on its promises? Let's break it down. The Capsule Mini boasts a sleek design and comes with a swiveling desktop stand. The combination measures 7.3 by 3.9 by 3.9 inches and weighs 1.2 pounds, making it portable and versatile. The stand features a rubber-lined base for stability, although it doesn't lock the mic in a fixed swivel position, which might affect stability during recordings. The microphone itself features a cardioid pattern condenser capsule with two grills for capturing audio. It covers a frequency range of 100 Hz to 10 kHz at 24-bit, 48 kHz quality. For comparison, it shares audio quality with the Joby Wavo Pod, which also offers cardioid and omnidirectional modes. On the front of the microphone, you'll find a headphone volume knob that doubles as a mute button, alongside a status LED. The LED turns red when muted and white when active. The base of the mic includes a 3.5mm connection and a USB-C port, with the necessary USB-C to USB-A cable included. However, if your device only supports USB-C, you'll need your own cable. It's worth noting that a gain knob, found on the JLab Talk Pro, is missing here. For those looking to enhance their setup, NZXT offers a boom arm mini accessory for $69.99. Although I didn't test it, the microphone comes with a threaded adapter for easy attachment to various stands or mounts. The microphone's performance can be fine-tuned using the NZXT Cam app, available only for Windows. This app allows you to adjust gain levels, balance playback audio with the microphone signal, and tweak sidetone levels. However, the app is primarily focused on gaming system settings and offers limited value for microphone customization. Unfortunately, macOS users are left out, as the app is not compatible. This means Apple users can't adjust gain, balance inputs, or control sidetone for the microphone. While you might be able to make adjustments within your recording software, this limitation might be disappointing for some users. When it comes to audio quality, the Capsule Mini produces crisp sound with solid intelligibility in the mid and high ranges. The transparency of the sound suggests minimal EQ sculpting, and dynamics are well preserved even at higher volumes. The microphone is on par with DSP-free models like the Snowball Ice in terms of its clear recordings. While the microphone doesn't come with a pop filter, its internal shielding minimizes plosives, eliminating concerns in most recording scenarios. However, there are a couple of minor flaws. The swivel mount on the desktop stand doesn't hold the mic rigidly, which could result in unintentional movements. Also, the headphone volume knob turns somewhat noisily. In conclusion, the NZXT Capsule Mini USB microphone offers decent audio quality at an affordable price. While it lacks certain expected functions and onboard controls, it still presents a viable option for those seeking clear recordings. That wraps up our review of the NZXT Capsule Mini. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and remember, keep exploring the world of technology with us.